Hello wonderful people, today I'm gonna tell you and teach you a lot about the most powerful plant in the world. More specifically, it's gonna be a spice that have a most advantage in antioxidants property. About this and much more I'm gonna tell you in this today's show. At the end of the show, I will recommend another 10 to 50 best antioxidants that are ranked according to the special scale. What are antioxidants? Exposure to oxygen or oxygenation can break atoms, leaving them with unpaired electrons, which affect the chemical instability of compounds. Such unstable compounds are called free radicals, and their tendency is to find free electrons from other cells, and thus create a chain reaction. Compounds, enzymes, amino acid, nutritional supplements, vitamins and minerals, which in the simplest term can prevent or slow down cell damage. Oxidative stress in the body damage our cells with something called free radicals. For everyone that knows anything about the health, know about these free radicals. Free radicals can cause a lot of damage in our body, and they are main causes why are you getting sick. Before we continue with the show, I want to tell you my new book that is called Amazing Natural Remedies Part One is up for sale on my new website that is called mariolab.hr. Much more about new book at the end of the show. That's why you need to take into consideration use best natural remedies that had a large quantity or best quality of antioxidants like today's spice that can remove those free radicals from our body. In the short, that means that can prevent a lot of pain, diseases and much more. So there's one scale that we are measured best natural remedies or best plants in the world that have highest concentration antioxidants in on composition. What are those scale? That is called something ORAC. There is a scale according to which antioxidants in certain food are. The best antioxidants in the world are glutathione, melatonin, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, alpha and beta carotene, green tea, resveratrol, zinc, selenium, alpha lipoic acid, lycopene, lutein, coenzyme Q10, anthocyanins, quercetin, astaxanthin and chlorophyll. That's why those are the best antioxidants or the best natural remedies that had the highest concentration of antioxidants in our body. What is on the first place? You would not believe it. There's something called Sumac. Sumac has the most antioxidants in the world. Sumac is a diverse flowering shrub that belongs to the family of plants known as Anacardiaceae. Its scientific name is Rhus coriaria. It is low in calories but rich in vitamin C and provides a large amount of important antioxidants that can help fight disease and optimize health. In particular, sumac is rich in polyphenols and flavonoids such as gallic acid, methyl gallate, kaempferol and quercetin. It contains tannins, which act as antioxidants and have anti-cancer properties. It contains potassium, phosphorus, zinc, protein and fiber. With its lemon-like tangy flavor, and the vibrant red hue, sumac spice is a superstar ingredient that I'm gonna really recommend you today. So the sumac is a special spice. Right now you can find it in best healthy store, maybe in your neighborhood, maybe on the internet. So if you take sumac each day, you're gonna take a really good high quality antioxidants in your body, and these antioxidants is gonna help you a lot in the prevention of many diseases of the modern era. In addition to adding a zipper flavor and color to the dishes, this powerful spice is also associated with extensive array of benefits. Thanks to rich content of polyphenols and flavonoids, adding a touch of sumac to your diet can help you lower cholesterol levels, stabilize blood sugar, and even reduce bone loss. Sumac often consists of small bushes, and those plants are grown around the world, but especially common is in East Asia, Africa, and North America. Some other popular variations include deer sumac, African sumac, smooth sumac, and the flagrant sumac. Sumac spice, however, comes from dried and ground berries of certain type of sumac called Rhus coriaria. This bright and delicious spice is often added to other spice blend, including za'atar. It is also a common ingredient in traditional Middle Eastern cuisine and is used in everything from meat dishes to a salad. So this is my recommendation to you because, as I said it before, there's a scale that is called ORAC scale, and on this ORAC scale, with most antioxidants in any other natural remedies, sumac is the number one. That means it's very healthy and can help you a lot. So for everyone that is heard about sumac for the first time in their life, go in the healthy store, buy it, add it to your dishes, and help your health in very natural way. For everyone that is already used sumac, maybe each day, maybe for some time, please comment below what are your experience about using the sumac in your maybe cuisine. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye. My new book that is called Amazing Natural Remedies Part One is the first part of the 4-part series book that it will come out this and the next year. It is intended for everyone who want to take control of their health and embark on the path of natural healing. In this book you will find information about the best natural medicines in the world, advice for diseases prevention and strengthening of the health, instructions for treatments with natural medicine, recipe for teas, tincture, practical tips for growing medical plants in your garden. This book is intended for everyone who does not want to take any medication, any injection, or maybe avoided completely operation. All of this had a lot of side effects. New book is direct continuation on my first book, Intermittent Fasting, The Secret of Health and Longevity. Take advantage of my special offer. In the period from 1st May until 31st May, we give you a 15% discount on the purchase of the new book. You can also take advantage of 25% discount on the buying 2 books, Intermittent Fasting, The Secret of Health Longevity, and Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1 together. The both books are available in Croatian, also in English language. Everything that you need about the first book, the second book, is going to be on my website mariolab.hr, and also you can find every information that you need on my new website. Everything is also in the description below video.